What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. I am outside with my doggo right now. And I just wanted to do an intro for this video real quick. So for my birthday, Mike asked me what I wanted and I kept giving him the same answer and he seemed very confused by it. And still I persisted and I was like, no, I just want to redo the front garden. And he was like, what do you want me to do? And I was like, I want you to take me to the plant store and I want to get a bunch of plants and I want to redo the front garden. And so that, my dog wants a lot of attention. That is what this video is. This is the update to last year's garden makeover where you guys, I will hopefully link that below, where I made over my front garden after I first moved into my house and I planted like $300 worth of succulents. Good news. Most of them survived, but I wanted to do some more kind of cool stuff there. So there are a few stages of this. One happened kind of over the weekend, and then I've been getting some more stuff in the mail. So I'm going to go to a voiceover on that, just so that I can explain to you kind of the odds and ends of what's happened and what will continue to happen. So guys, hope you enjoy. Let's cut to the voiceover. So welcome to my garden. If you guys watched the video last year, this will be pretty familiar to you, but these plants have gotten a lot bigger. It has been a survival of the fittest for sure. A lot of these have really grown a lot and some of them have just been casualties to storms and wind and mostly freezes. You can see these guys grew a lot. I've been weeding a lot too. This guy looks completely dead, but actually when I dug him up, he and his little friend there were still green inside, so I was able to transplant those to the other bed. These are the new guys that are going to be joining, and I don't know exactly what they are offhand, so I will put the titles of them down below for you guys so that you can, look them up at your local store if that's what you want to do. And I got a couple of ferns, actually 3 ferns. I got 2 of those pink guys, and then I got 3 of those little grasses. It is the most insanely windy day. Austin has been crazy windy lately. I've been joking that I'm going to bring bonnets back. And then we got 2 bags of pebbles, one kind of in a big size and then one sort of in a smaller size because I wanted to have a little bit of variegation to my concept here. We're all going to go sort of towards the back there to add some kind of height and depth and some more visual interest. And there are a couple more things coming in the mail that I will show you, but this shot is just going to be planting these babies in the ground. Today, my fiance took the opportunity to surround all of our little trees in nice little circles of bricks and remulch them. And are you ready for the big reveal? Dun, 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 dun. So you can see the different sizes of gravel. Like I said, we've got the little pebbles and the big pebbles, and everything kind of nestled all together. You've got your little grasses. I did manage to keep that purple guy where he was living. I loved how he looked with all of the pink and the green. And most of the other guys kind of stayed put. I was able to keep most of them undisturbed. Had to do some careful footwork to get around them. But they are all, I think, more appealing looking now that they've got kind of the light stones around them. So one of the biggest things that I had in mind was to put a tree kind of in this space right behind the plants because we have this funny kind of gap in the front of the house right there, and I just think that a blue cypress would be really pretty there, and so I ordered one. On Amazon, I ordered these little solar LED lights that charge in the sun, and they've got these spikes in the bottom of them, and you basically just drive them into the ground in your garden anywhere you want light to shine up, and they charge in the sun, and then they add a really nice kind of lighting feature to the yard. So I just ordered 4 of those. I'll put a link to those down below if you want to check them out on Amazon. And I placed them strategically in my new setup here so that they would hopefully make the plants look really beautiful at night, not just in the daytime. And so I nestled one right here underneath the ferns. Hopefully it gets enough light to actually work, and then the others sort of illuminate the rest of the garden. I think they're kind of pretty on their own. Voila! We get to see it in the nighttime. I like the lights. They're a little blue, more blue than I really expected them to be, but I think that they're really pretty, and I'm pleased that this one gets enough light for it to work. But one of them is faulty. I don't really know what's going on, but he doesn't want to work, but that's okay. I think they all look really pretty, and maybe that one will work tomorrow. I don't know, but I really, really like the way that it turned out. say hello to the newest addition to the garden. This is my absolutely adorable blue cypress that I ordered on Amazon. I will stick a shot in here in a second of what they actually look like, but this is just a baby, and I kind of love the idea of planting a baby tree in my yard and having it kind of grow and get really huge while we live here, you know? So I hope that you like your new home, little baby cypress. I hope you grow up big and strong and live a long, healthy, and wonderful life. So you guys, I hope you enjoyed that, and if you do like my plant videos, please tell me below. I just think that there's something so beautiful and fun about owning a home and actually starting to think in really long-term terms, you know? Like I start to think of this place as the place where I'm going to live for a very long time, and I don't have to think about things as like, oh, what am I gonna have to repaint when I move out? Or why would I plant this tree because I'm never gonna see it grow, you know? It's like, no, we bought an avocado tree. We're buying trees. That's what grown-ups do when they stay in one place for a long time, right? I'm adulting really hard. So yeah, guys, if you enjoyed this, give it a thumbs up. If you have anything to say, please comment below. I would love to hear any and all of your plant inspiration. And if you want to keep hanging out with me on this channel, hit the button down below and subscribe. I would love it if you did. Guys, thank you so much for watching this fun little video today. I love you so much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.